welcome to my channel. This is my first vlog on YouTube of unboxing this item. This is my sister waiting for me for unboxing.
Hi.
You think she is a boy, but she is not a boy, she is a girl. This is not an item of sponsored or any unboxing channel. This is only for excitement sharing with you and my YouTube family. Welcome to my vlog. Hi.
Let's all unbox it. I'm very excited. So friends, she's cutting that. Oh. Yeah. So my sister is unboxing, friends.
Don't mind, I am lefty. I am trying to cut in right also. Yay!
Very excited. What is this?
Again a box, guys.
But it's very hard to open.
This cat name is Luna.
She is very cute, friend. And she's very small.
Cat.
Give me my cat. Give me my cat. Give me my cat. She's my cutest girl in the world. Right?
This is the first box which came out from that long box. Okay, the
That
second one is coming. My brother is helping to remove that out, which is very heavy. I can't remove that.
Yeah.
She is very naughty. This is the struggle we are facing, guys. So much of efforts.
It's very hard
Finally.
to remove.
This is the second box, which was very tough to remove. This is also a little bit heavy, not that heavy. Let's unbox this.
Now I'm very excited.
This is again a trouble, guys.
Put like this. Catch up. You're also welcome. Oh. Yay, I'm very excited. Oh, wow.
Take this box.
I'm very excited, friends. And this is
I'll
also
do a camera bit back. The thing is.
and
not
this is
visible.
also a box. We will open
Let's
it
first
after
open
this.
And fix this.
Let's keep
then
this.
let's open that.
Yeah, I'm very excited, sister.
Don't.
Yeah. What is
Move, let's cut. क्या?
cut it. No. No. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
There are three steps.
Yes.
Take this out.
It's very hard to.
Yes. Ouch.
It's very hard.
I'll fix this and come to you later. Ayyo.
Where is?
Welcome back again to the same vlog. This is the thing, guys.
It's looking
This
like
was
Burj
from
Khalifa.
one box and the other one is this. Let's see what's there in this.
And that's looking like a Burj Khalifa. Right?
Yes. Sasta wala Burj Khalifa.
I don't know what it is.
Wow, guys.
Oh,
We've got this
light.
table.
Again, what we got? We got a lamp.
This
It's
is
a lamp.
the
And we got some screws.
These are some
Screws.
nuts
That
and
are
bolts to
fitting.
fix this. This is not fixed. I have just kept it like that.
Yeah, it's very
Let's
normally.
see this. This is the upper lamp.
and it's very nice.
It's very premium quality, guys. It's very awesome. This is my brother. He is going to fix this nuts and bolts because I am not any carpenter for that.
And that's the bulb, friends.
Trying to speak English. Please ignore, guys. This is the last step, guys, which we have to complete. Come on, let's fix this.
I'll fix it. Give me.
Yeah, it's all completed, guys. 3, 2, 1, switch it on.
Yeah!
This is the final review. Wow, it's so nice.
Very nice, friends. You can see.
It's very premium, guys. It's very premium. You can see it in my upcoming videos also. This is what my spot is going to be. Good.